Welcome to another video. Let's solve for x in 2 to the power of x dot 5 to the power of x raised to the power 2 equals to 10. So we can use two different methods here. Either we use observation method or the algebraic approach method. So let's see how to observe the root of this. So suppose I have 2 to the power of x dot 5 to the power of x raised to the power of 2 equals to. So if I break this to the prime factor, which are 2 and 5, and here we can conclude that the value of x here equals to 1. All right. So x equals to 1, and this is by observation method. So we can also say iteration method. But this is not the only solution for this. Let's see the algebraic approach method to get the two real root. Okay, here we have 2 to the power of x dot 5 to the power of x raised to the power of 2 equals to 10. But if you have uh, 2 to the power of x dot 5 to the power of x raised to the power of 2, so if I apply this the rules of logarithm, so which says if I raise this one to, let's say 5, I raise it to log of 10 base 5. So I'm using 5 because the 5 here, so we give the result that I want. And this is from this rule. Let's say if x raised to the power of log y base x, the result here is y. And that was what I applied in the last line. Then for these two as well, I want to make everything having base 5. So if I change these two to let's say 5 raised to the power of log 2 base 5, and this is still 2 according to the rule, and everything raised to the power of x, then dot 5 raised to the power of x raised to the power 2 equals to 5 raised to the power of log 10 base 5. So for the first one, if I apply these rules of indices again, the power of indices, a raised to the power m raised to the power n. So we call this one a raised to the power of n, all raised to the power of m, or we can call it a raised to the power of nm. So applying it here, it becomes 5 to the power of x, and then log 2 base 5 dot 5 to the power of x raised to the power of 2 equals to 5 raised to the power of log 10 base 5. And we have common base separated with multiplication. So applying the law of indices, multiplication changes to addition. Then we have x log 2 base 5 plus x raised to the power of 2 equals to 5 raised to the power of log 10 base 5. So we have the same base, it cancelled. Then we equate the exponent, which is x log 2 base 5 plus x raised to the power of 2 equals to here is log. So this 10 can be written as 2.5 base 5. And if this one is x log 2 base 5 plus x raised to the power of 2 equals to, and if we separate this with the law of logarithm, so by changing the multiplication to addition, we have log 2 base 5 plus log 5 base 5. And log 5 base 5 is 1, that is logarithm of the same base. And the next step is we have x log 2 base 5 plus x raised to the power of 2. So we transfer this, it becomes negative log 2 base 5. And while here is 1, we also transfer 1, so it is plus, it changes to negative when it comes here equals to 0. And looking at this, so if you combine x squared and minus 1 together, here we have x squared minus 1, we bracket this, and x log 2 base 5 minus log 2 base 5. We also combine these two as well. So we have log 5 base 2 and x minus 1. So I factorized this out, then everything equals to 0. But there's nothing common here. So, but I can make x squared minus 1 factorizable as a difference of 2 square. So which becomes x plus 1 bracket x minus 1. So that is the difference of the 2 square plus log 2 base 5 bracket x minus 1 equals to 0. So x minus 1 is common here. So we take the entire x minus 1 out, then we create a larger bracket. So for the first one, it remains x plus 1, while this one, it remains plus log 2 base 5. Everything equals to 0. Then, so we let this equals x minus 1 equals 0, or the entire of this equals to 0. So, and we have x minus 1 equals to 0, or x plus 1 plus log 2 base 5 equal to 0. Then x equals to 1 here, as what we got from the above, from the observation method. So y for the second real root is x equals to minus 1 minus logarithm of 2 base 5. So here is the second real root. And this is how to solve this problem. But if you have another way of solving this, you can drop it in the comment box. Thanks for engaging in our video. And don't forget the steps that I used. And subscribe to this channel and like the video. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning.